just going to do a basic cast off, which, see where your yarn's coming from. You're going to E-wrap 2 pegs, take the bottom loop over the top, stitch from the second peg, you move back, knit off, and you're going to fill in this empty spot. Now, you want to kind of wrap this loose. Don't have a lot of tension on it. It helps make it a little stretchier. So you E-wrap 2, knit off. Number 2, which has your working yarn on it, moves to the first peg. You knit that off, and then you're going to bring that back over and fill in. I'll show you one more time. E-wrap 2 pegs, knit off. Peg 2, where your working yarn is coming, gets moved to peg 1. Tighten up just a little bit. You don't want to tighten up a whole lot. Knit off, which your working yarn is still coming from this one, and then move it over. Do this all the way around. I'll show you what to do on the last peg. Down to the last 2 pegs. Untangle my yarn. E-wrap those. Knit off. Move the second one back. Knit off. Then we're going to cut the yarn. And all you do, doesn't matter if you go up through, down through, whatever, just get the yarn, working yarn through the loop that's on there. Oops.